Most beginners lose money in the stock market, not because they're unlucky, but because they're doing one thing wrong. They try to pick the perfect stock. They spend hours searching, watching charts, listening to tips, and still, they get it wrong. But what if you didn't have to pick a single stock at all? What if you could invest in many companies at once with just one click? That's exactly what an ETF lets you do. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund, but don't let the name confuse you. Think of it like a basket. Inside that basket, there are many investments, big companies, different sectors, sometimes even gold. And when you buy an ETF, you're buying a small piece of everything inside it. Let's say there's an ETF that includes companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google. Instead of buying each one separately, you just buy the ETF, and now you own all of them. Simple. One investment, multiple companies. Now imagine two people, same money, same starting point. One tries to pick the best stock. He checks charts all day, follows news, takes random tips. Sometimes he wins, but when he's wrong, he loses big. The other person, he doesn't try to be a genius. He just buys an ETF and spreads his money across many companies. Now one day, the market drops. The first person's stock crashes hard because he picked the wrong one. The second person's ETF also goes down, but not as much because his risk is spread out. This is the real power of ETFs. You don't rely on one company. You spread your risk. And here's something most beginners love. You can buy and sell ETFs anytime during market hours, just like a normal stock. So it's simple and flexible, but don't get it wrong. ETFs are not risk-free. If the overall market goes down, your ETF goes down too. But compared to picking one stock, you're much more balanced. Most people lose money trying to beat the market. Smart investors, they simply grow with it. So, in the simplest way, an ETF is a basket of investments that you can buy and sell like a stock. So the real question is, do you want to guess the next winning stock or own a piece of everything and let time do the work? Follow for more simple, real investing lessons, because the smartest strategies are usually the simplest.